Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Inventive Tech, a channel dedicated to new ultimate gadgets and innovations. Three-wheelers are cute vehicles to look at. We're so much accustomed to cars having four wheels that we almost forget that the first legit motor vehicle back in the 1800s only had three wheels. There's a lot of history from that, but it sure was an eye-opener, right? There were a lot of three-wheeled vehicles that were introduced to the world, but only a few were known to many. Each of the three-wheelers in this list are different from one another. From almost tricycles to war veteran looking to good looking roadsters. In this video, we're going to take a look at 8 crazy three-wheeled cars you just have to see, so make sure you watch this video till the end, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. I guarantee you're going to love what I have in store. Let's get started. Number 8. Morgan EV3. The Morgan EV3 first debuted at the 2016 Geneva Motor Show, and we saw a very special and very cool UK 1909 Selfridges edition at the Swiss Expo in 2017. The EV3 replaces the standard three-wheeler's 2.0-liter V-twin motorcycle engine with a liquid-cooled electric motor that produces about 62 horsepower. That doesn't sound like a lot, but keep in mind this contraption only weighs about 1,100 pounds. And with instant electric torque and your butt only a few inches off the ground, we imagine it to be a hell of a hilarious toy. But sadly, we may never know, as the idea was scrapped in 2018 with the cited reason as contractual differences. Wow, that's one down for everybody, huh? Number 7. Solo. Well, what else can we expect from ElectraMeccanica? They're known for producing weird stuff, and with that, here comes our 7th entry on the list. It's not quite a motorcycle and not quite a car, but a vehicle built to solve both of those purposes. From the front, the Solo looks like a car with a hood, grille, and headlights. Take a peek from behind, however, and it tapers down to just one wheel. Technically, the Solo is a motorcycle, though it's fully enclosed and drives like a car with a steering wheel and foot pedals. It has only one seat, but it's accessible with doors on both sides. It's set to be launched in Los Angeles later this year. Number 6. Spyder F3. A recent entry by an automobile company called Can-Am and dubbed as a vehicle with 3 wheels and unparalleled freedom. With Spyder F3, you get unreal performance, comfort that pushes you further, muscular design, and a world of open road. The car is said to have sufficient space for packing up gear, along with a very robust engine that allows the car to travel at usually high speeds with sustainable steering control. Because the car has a superior power-to-weight ratio and a power-optimized gear ratio, the car is insanely controllable and fast. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Number 5. The Toyota iRoad. Presented by Toyota at the 2013 Geneva Motor Show, the iRoad concept is a study of an ultra-compact three-wheeler personal mobility vehicle with an electric drivetrain and an active lean technology. The Toyota iRoad is an ultra-compact tandem two-seater electric vehicle that offers a riding experience with the same level of convenience as a motorcycle. The ultra-compact dimensions offer excellent maneuverability. The minimum turning circle is just 3 meters and minimizes space needed for parking. The adoption of a newly developed automatic active lean system provides great response and an exhilarating driving experience. Well, we all hope this will be out for sale one day. Number 4. Elio. Described as a cheap three-wheeled car for the masses, Elio was created by Paul Elio, who had a dream of making three-wheelers accessible in a really cool way to society. It's not actually a car though, it's a fully enclosed autocycle with a remarkable design which also includes multiple airbags, anti-lock brakes, traction control, steel unibody frame, and crumple zones. After the car was announced, people started riling up about it. I mean, of course, right? However, the company would disappear for a few years, followed by a comeback in 2020 where they announced a private IPO and promised to start the production if the IPO was successful. Number 3. CANGURO. This one is probably the most innovative on our list. If you didn't see this coming, well, get ready to be surprised. This one is like a mixture of a car and a robot. In robot mode, CANGURO operates like a buddy droid in a movie. As a loyal partner, it follows its master in shopping malls, giving help at times. When the master wishes to travel, CANGURO automatically transforms itself into ride mode. In ride mode, CANGURO supports its master as an integral part of his or her body. As the master leans right and left to make a turn, CANGURO actively transforms its body and leans accordingly. It gives the master a sense of integration, like slalom skiing. Being a multi-purpose machine that acts as a digital assistant as well, we surely can't wait for this one to be launched. Number 2. VANDERHALL LAGUNA. VANDERHALL Motor Works gave Secret Lives of the Super Rich a chance to take a spin in its 3-wheeled autocycle. It's made to order and boasts 200 horsepower on a compact but comfy frame. Named the Laguna, the autocycle costs up to $85,000. The car promises all the zip and acceleration of a motorcycle. Well, this is surely one to get, right? Too bad it's so expensive. And number 1, the Scoot Quad. Wow, did you see this one coming at the number 1 spot? Comment down below and let us know which 3-wheeled car you think should have been number 1 on this list. Anyway, getting on with the Scoot Quad, this mini beast is manufactured by Nissan. It's said to operate electrically and is more like a rebadged Twizy. It's a 2-seater electric vehicle, EV, that is touted to be the future of commuter vehicles. The Nissan New Mobility concept is currently not available for customers to purchase in America, as the vehicle is yet to be categorized into a particular segment. Well guys, I hope you liked this video. Which one of these vehicles from the list did you like the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. With that being said, we'll see you in the next video.